This is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle. This is 7 days of tablescapes. Our host is Stephanie with Creatively Miss Me, decorating on a budget. Please check out our channel and the amazing playlist. Today is day 1, simple tablescape. And I will be rejoining on day 3, which will be rustic, because if you know me, one thing I'm not is modern. I'm more glam or vintage or even farmhouse, but I'm not modern. So please check back with me on day 3. This is my simple snowman tablescape. This is our simple snowman tablescape. We're starting out with our snowman plates. Got those at the Goodwill. This is from after Christmas a few years ago at the At Home. Hobby Lobby. Amazon for the napkins. Hobby Lobby for the napkin rings. Amazon for the silverware and the tablecloth, which is a really beautiful glam blue crystal kind of tablecloth. The black and white striped, that was from Amazon. The candle holders was from At Home on clearance. The hat, I got that at the Goodwill, and I just decorated and put my own centerpiece in it. In my colors, which is, I love to decorate with the turquoise and the pink for Christmas. And so that is our simple tablescape. This is the back side of the other place setting. Here's our other snowman plate and the back side of our arrangement.